Hi, in under a minute, I'm going to show you how to create a payment intent and collect payments using code. So watch this. I'm going to be using Modem Pay's Python SDK, but you can use the JavaScript SDK or just use the RESTful API. So just going to install two packages, Modem Pay and python.env, just to load my environment variable because I don't want to expose that, of course. So I'm going to run this cell and this should be fine. And I'll run this. It's going to generate a link, of course. So I'm printing the payment link and it's going to be of 100 as the amount, and after a successful payment it should redirect me to modempay.com. So all I need to do is just put in my wave number or free money. So I'm just going to go with wave. And that's it. So that is how simple it is to create a payment intent, and of course it should redirect us back to the Modem Pay website. All right.